Hi, I'm Seth, owner of Coastal Refrigeration, Heating and Air Conditioning. We're a full-service heating and air conditioning company. We know that as a homeowner, finding a reliable, honest HVAC technician can be daunting. This is why we are here to make this process easier for you. We have more than 25 years of experience in installing, maintaining, and servicing homes and businesses in the area. Our technicians are fully certified and have gone through extensive training, so you can be sure you are working with an expert. Next time you need to service or replace your system, let Coastal Refrigeration, Heating and Air Conditioning take care of you.